down to see you clapping your hands. Are you ready? You two need help. You really do. Help me escape this feeling of insecurities. I need you so much, but I don't think you really need me. But if we all stand up in the name of love and take the case for what we're dreaming of, I'm gonna say you only dream of you. But like a thief in the night, they took away the love that we knew. Free like my fire. Your love is my only desire. Free like my fire. I need your love. Boys and girls, you're going crazy there, but you can be going a lot more crazier than that. Let's see you going crazier. Go on, go on. Turn back the time to the days when all was new. Do you remember? No matter what was happening, I was there with you. But if we all stand up while we believe, and they live within our possibilities, the world is wild for free. So baby, don't turn away. Listen to what I've got to say. Come on, girls, keep going. You're doing well. One time, I hope you're looking at the craziest dancers. Emma, get yourself ready. All the ladies, sat down, get yourself ready. The Lulu bit's coming up. Are you ready? I need your love. Bring light my fire. Your love is my only desire. Bring light my fire, yeah. Now, ladies and gentlemen, in the straight bar, for one night only, Emma James is going to be Lulu. You ready? Emma, get yourself ready. Come on. Go.
Yeah, you gotta be strong enough to walk on through the night. There's a new day on the other side. You gotta have hope in your soul. Keep on walking.
Remember, big cheer, everybody. Come on. Strong enough to walk on through the night. There's a new day on the other side. You gotta have hope in your soul. Oh, keep on walking. Keep on walking, baby. Now, boys and girls, got about a minute left. About a minute left. So go crazy. Go crazy. The fun starts watching you. We like my fire. I need love.